154 species in genus Protium. The enigmatic Protium, a personal exploration. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the intricate world of plants. Their diversity, resilience, and sheer beauty never cease to amaze me. Lately, I've become particularly interested in the genus Protium, a group of tropical trees and shrubs belonging to the Berseraceae family. This family is known for its resinous species, many of which have significant economic and medicinal value. What captivates me about Protium is its remarkable diversity and widespread distribution. These plants are found in a variety of habitats, from the lush rainforests of the Amazon to the dry deciduous forests of Madagascar. They come in all shapes and sizes, from towering trees reaching over 30 meters in height to small, understory shrubs. This incredible variety makes Protium a fascinating subject for botanical study and exploration. A diverse genus. The genus Protium encompasses over 150 recognized species. Identifying them can be quite challenging, as they often exhibit subtle variations in leaf shape, fruit size, and resin composition. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Resin, a valuable resource. One of the most intriguing aspects of Protium is the resin produced by many of its species. These resins, often aromatic and viscous, have been used for centuries by indigenous communities for various purposes. Some resins are used as incense in religious ceremonies, while others have medicinal properties and are used to treat wounds, inflammation, and respiratory ailments. The resin of certain Protium species is also used in the production of varnishes and adhesives. For instance, copal, the resin obtained from Protium copal, is prized for its durability and clarity, making it a valuable ingredient in high-quality varnishes. Ecological significance. Protium species play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems. As trees and shrubs, they provide food and shelter for a wide range of animals, from insects to birds and mammals. Their fruits are often consumed by various animals, aiding in seed dispersal. Additionally, Protium trees contribute to the overall health of the forest by stabilizing the soil and preventing erosion. Challenges and conservation. Despite their ecological importance, many Protium species face threats due to deforestation, habitat loss, and overexploitation of their resin. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating plants. This includes protecting their natural habitats, promoting sustainable harvesting practices, and raising awareness about their importance. A continuing fascination. My exploration of Protium has only just begun. I am eager to learn more about the unique characteristics of each species, their ecological roles, and the traditional knowledge associated with their use. The world of Protium is vast and complex, offering endless opportunities for discovery and appreciation. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these plants, we can contribute to their conservation and ensure that future generations can also marvel at their beauty and value.